brand spanking new Ford F-150. And you're telling me after all these years they still haven't changed the way you change the taillights? No way. Look, 2 8 mils. Done. Now slowly, Wesley. Look, this is Ford. Still doesn't say F-150 anywhere. It's weird. That's what I found. Look, 4x4. Watch this. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to show you where to pull. Right, pull it back here. But there's a pin right there. There's a pin down there we got to get to. And slowly work your magic. Use your hand tools. See? That guy pops in there. Slowly, Wesley. These things have bulbs? Let's see. No way. Let's see. I gave up. This one says lock. Nothing about unlock because it just won't unlock. I've tried, I've pulled, I've pried, and the only thing I can find is this bulb. This one does the same thing. Locks into place. I can't imagine this is LED. Maybe. But that was... I don't even look at the bulb. What is this? What is this? 3043? Yeah, we'll see. 2056? Who knows? Who knows? Actually, put it back the right way though. Clean it. Put the bulb. Here's a one-hander. Let's put it back. It's official. I gave up. I think this is part of it. It's got to be like a LED. Oh well, putting it back. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.